Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Tangem wallet. Open your Revolut app and tap on send option. Here you can select your favorite crypto, enter your wallet address. If you have already added, then click on this option. If you do not have add, then please click on add wallet address. Here if you want to add Tangem wallet, then there is an option to go to Tangem app. Click on three dots. In your manage section, you will have to search your favorite crypto. After this, you will copy your wallet address properly. Then paste your address into Revolt app and press on send or continue. After this, you have to enter your favorite crypto or the amount you want to send into Tangem wallet. Here we can go hit the continue button, select our address and enter our amount and then continue. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget us to subscribe and like our channel.